Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
If you're diving into the world of blockchain and want to explore the bleeding edge of Nexus, then you are in for a treat. Today, I'll walk you through how to run the Nexus Testnet 2 in 2025, from install to sync. So you can start testing and building on the future of decentralized networks. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you're running this on a fresh environment. A desktop, laptop, or even a powerful virtual machine will do. You will need a basic dev tool like Git and CMake already installed. Start by grabbing the Nexus Testnet 2 code from the official repo. This is displayed on the screen. Now install the dependencies. Dependencies on your OS might be needed, and it is also screen this right now. Once you are set, compile the code. After it builds, head into the binary directory and get ready to run the node on the testnet. This tells Nexus to connect to testnet 2 and run in the background. It will create a new folder under .nexus /testnet to store all your test data. If you want to see logs or check progress, you can simply type this. Give it in time. The sync will take a bit, but since it's a testnet, it's a way faster than mainnet. You are now officially part of the test network, ready to test transactions, deploy contracts, or experiments with Nexus features before they hit the mainnet. And remember, you can stop the node at any time using this. Alright guys, that's it for today guide. If you're serious about development or just want to help strengthen the Nexus network, running the testnet is a great place to start. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive guide. I'll catch you in the next one.